Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm playing with junk again. This time I have something new from China. It's a cyclone filter. And I want to show you how to turn an ordinary vacuum cleaner into a Dyson vacuum cleaner with this here. It's from the Nantong Suning Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited. Very handy name. I got it from Banggood, as the previous two items, and it comes with mounting screws, some hose clamps, some adapter rings that fit in here and here, and with some kind of user manual. It's the Cyclone Whirlwind Dust Collection. I have my own dust collection everywhere, so that's why I need this to remove it. Well, the manual here is quite funny. I think even the Chinese version is not worth reading. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that means. Maybe Chinese people count this way. Or, for example, we have pictures, small pictures, even smaller pictures, and I can't even read what is written here, maybe with a microscope. So I think the guy who made that layout, well, he should probably better make another job. But let's talk about this. And this. Maybe I should explain how a cyclone air filter works. Well, the principle is relatively easy. You have a funnel-shaped thing here. You have the air exhaust here that goes to the vacuum cleaner or maybe a blower or something. And you have the air coming in here on the side. And what it does, it creates a cyclone here inside. And all the heavier parts, all the parts that are heavier than air, are forced to the wall of this funnel here. Here we have an opening and our container. And the spiral goes here, and all the particles, or maybe 99.5% of all the particles, land here. And because there is no actual airflow in this direction, it's only this spiral, so all the dust that is collected down here will remain here until the barrel is full. Then you have to empty that. And of course, you have the full pressure of the outside air, the full vacuum inside. So if someone blocks that intake here, the barrel will probably crumble a bit like mine did, but I think it will work as long as nobody does this on purpose. Okay, we will see. But, well, that's about it. Of course, you can build that by yourself, but I think the Chinese version here is cheaper, and it's the only one I found in the right size for a workshop. You can have them huge, 5 meters high, and so, or you can have it small inside a Dyson vacuum cleaner, which is expensive. So this is probably the cheapest version. So the whole idea is to put this filter here on top of this strong, sturdy plastic barrel, and then attach my household vacuum cleaner here. I'm sorry, here. Let the dust go in here and it will be collected here inside the barrel. So that's the idea. Let's build it. First step is to make a paper template. So I'm measuring the inner diameter of the hole. It's, well, 7. Let's make it 7.5. Okay. 7.5, that is 3.5, 3.3 quarters. Yeah. Yes. Then the outer diameter is, well, 12. Okay, that's a radius of 6. Okay. Then we need something straight, because we have 4 holes. Here. And eyeballing, right angle about here. Okay. Well, I can mark the holes when I cut out the inner part. It seems the first blade was a little bit too weak. It was sharp, but not strong enough. Yep, it fits like a glove. A glove. Okay, where is my... Oh, here. No. Of course, the holes are not big enough for that. Let's try this one. Yes. Okay, let's see. Screws are 5 millimeters. Okay, so I'm drilling 6 millimeters because I always need a little bit of tolerance. Don't be intolerant. It's difficult to drill the holes as precise in this flimsy material here, so it's better to make them a little bit bigger. Okay. So that was only a 5mm drill. I don't want to make the holes on the filter bigger than they are. Okay, now it seems to fit. Okay, then let's see if that thing really sucks or not. In this time, it would be good if it sucks. Normally that's a stupid thing, but yeah. Okay, what do we need? We need a vacuum cleaner. Well, it's relatively easy to remove that. You only need a big screwdriver and pry it apart. It sounds like breaking into pieces, but there are only these 4 notches here that hold everything together. And now I think we could possibly fit that here. Yes, it's like made for that. Okay. And always have a bit of duct tape around and everything will work like a treat. Okay. So I think that should work. Oops, I'm sorry, I have to reposition the vacuum cleaner. I hope it doesn't implode right away. Oops, wrong button. Yep. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem with containers that are a little bit too big. Even if this one seems to be a fairly sturdy barrel here, we have seen what a standard vacuum cleaner can do with it. Let's try that again. That means we probably need something inside the barrel to make it a little bit more stable, or to prevent a complete blockage of the suction tube here. And the other problem is I don't have a second hose for that vacuum cleaner. No, that's not true. I have one. Wait a minute. Well, let's first clean up the desk. All the old transistors, resistors, and all the dirt. Okay. And let's see if it works on the floor. Some parts from the last tear down. Okay. Some dead flies. It seems my apartment is not dirty enough to demonstrate the vacuum cleaner, so I have to make some dirt. And now let's see how good that thing collected all the dirt. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. It seems that all the fragments I respirated here are actually inside the barrel. Okay. Even the fine dust, even the hair that I had on my floor. So yeah, seems to work. And tomorrow I will take it to work and I will install it there in the workshop, because we always have a full vacuum cleaner, because we use it to, well, clean PCs, computers. Well, not with the vacuum cleaner, but we use the vacuum cleaner to clean our dust blower machine. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.